Far beneath the ocean's surface, where pressure crushes steel and darkness never ends, China is quietly building something that stunned engineers around the world. Using advanced tunnel boring machines, engineers begin by drilling through coastal land, then slowly extending the path beneath the seabed. Every meter is reinforced with precision-engineered concrete segments, locked together like a massive underwater puzzle. To survive the extreme pressure of thousands of meters of water above, the tunnel walls are designed with multiple protective layers. Sensors constantly monitor temperature, pressure, and micro-movements in real time. Special sealing systems prevent seawater from entering, even during strong ocean currents or earthquakes. And in some projects, entire tunnel sections are prefabricated, then carefully lowered and connected underwater with millimeter accuracy. What once seemed impossible to American engineers is now becoming reality. Hidden highways running silently beneath the ocean floor, connecting cities faster than ever before.
Every undersea tunnel begins with understanding the ocean floor beneath it. Engineers map every hidden trench, rock layer, and fault beneath the sea. Before excavation begins, the Earth itself must reveal its secrets.
Each sample determines where the tunnel can safely pass beneath the ocean.
Precision planning prevents catastrophe beneath thousands of tons of seawater. Every movement underground is rehearsed long before excavation starts. The machine that will dig beneath the sea is assembled piece by piece. Thousands of precision-made segments will protect the tunnel beneath the ocean. Waterproofing is critical when the ocean presses from every direction. A project beneath the ocean depends on perfect coordination above it. The gateway to the undersea world is carved deep into the earth. The launch shaft must withstand both earth pressure and seawater intrusion. These rails guide the machine toward one of the hardest engineering environments on Earth. Now the real journey beneath the sea is about to begin. Applying an undersea tunnel requires non-stop movement from land to sea. Every tunnel segment must arrive perfectly aligned and undamaged. The ocean itself becomes part of the construction route. Even offshore logistics demand absolute precision in unstable conditions. Excavated material must travel safely back from beneath the ocean floor. If we route the main ventilation line here, we minimize the pressure drop.
And the new turbine should handle the volume easily.
Once underground, every supply line must keep moving without interruption. Millions of tons of earth must be removed to clear the tunnel path. The excavation cycle never stops during undersea construction. Every deep tunnel project prepares constantly for unexpected danger. Thousands of workers keep the tunnel operating around the clock. Check the pressure gauges on level 12. Make sure the cabling is secure. Roger that. Depth marker 400 meters. All systems green. Perfect coordination keeps the tunnel advancing beneath the sea. Now the machine begins carving a path beneath the ocean itself. Above ground, a massive industrial city supports the tunnel below.
Every worker entering the tunnel follows strict safety control systems.
The entire tunnel is controlled second by second from this command center. Excavation waste is continuously separated, filtered, and recycled. Thousands of tons of concrete support the tunnel beneath the sea. Each segment must survive extreme underwater pressure for decades. Maintenance crews keep the tunnel boring machine operating continuously. Fresh air is essential beneath thousands of meters of rock and seawater. Construction crews work in exhausting underground conditions every day. Safety teams remain ready for emergencies deep beneath the ocean. Reliable communication is critical inside a constantly moving construction zone. The tunnel consumes enormous amounts of energy every hour.
Check the hydraulics at the next marker.
Confirmed. Let's keep the pace up.
The heart of the operation is the machine digging beneath the seabed.
Every meter excavated beneath the sea produces enormous volumes of material. The first stage removes heavy debris from the underground excavation flow.
Recycling drilling fluid helps stabilize excavation beneath the ocean floor.
Every excavated fragment is processed before leaving the tunnel system.
Water recycling reduces waste during continuous tunnel excavation.
Material transport systems operate non-stop beneath the coastline.
Everything removed beneath the ocean must travel safely back to the surface.
Excavated material is carefully sorted for disposal or reuse. Some excavated materials return to support the project itself. Environmental control remains critical throughout the excavation process. Even small underground shifts are monitored constantly during excavation. The tunnel boring machine must remain clear of dangerous blockages. Continuous cleaning keeps underground systems operating efficiently.
With the excavation flow stabilized, the tunnel advances deeper beneath the sea.
Beneath enormous ocean pressure, the machine advances one section at a time. The cutter head breaks through some of the toughest geology beneath the sea.
Pressure rising too fast. We need 50 kilopascals more on the slurry.
Adjusting the dial now.
Stable at 400. Good work.
Hydraulic systems provide the force needed to move the machine underground.
Each new tunnel section follows immediately behind the excavation front. The tunnel structure is built piece by piece directly behind excavation.
Waterproof seals protect the tunnel from immense ocean pressure.
Even minor alignment errors could become catastrophic beneath the sea. Even small leaks become major threats beneath the seabed.
Watch your hands, bring it down 5 centimeters. Got it, coming down slowly.
Thousands of systems work together to keep excavation moving non-stop.
Additional safety passages are built deep within the undersea structure.
Meter by meter, the tunnel grows beneath the sea.
Modern undersea tunnels often require multiple connected tunnel systems. Emergency connections provide critical escape routes beneath the ocean.
Every underground connection must withstand extreme pressure and vibration.
Power and communication systems transform the tunnel into a functioning network. Drainage systems protect the tunnel from long-term water accumulation. Fire protection becomes essential inside confined underground structures. Ventilation systems keep air circulating through the massive tunnel network. The tunnel begins transforming from excavation site into transportation infrastructure.
Lower it slowly, watch the alignment on the right side. It's clearing the conduits now. Looks good.
Even invisible weaknesses are identified before final completion. Safety infrastructure becomes critical inside long undersea tunnels. Light transforms the underground structure into a functioning transport corridor.
After years beneath the ocean, the tunnel finally reaches the other side. The excavation phase is complete, but advanced systems still remain. Modern undersea tunnels rely on constant automated monitoring. Thousands of sensors continuously watch over the structure beneath the sea. Automated ventilation systems protect drivers and workers underground. Artificial intelligence helps manage traffic flow beneath the ocean. Automated safety systems react instantly during emergencies underground.
Fire protection systems are tested before the tunnel opens to the public.
Automated drainage prevents flooding deep beneath the seabed.
Every section of the tunnel is constantly monitored for stability.
Robotic systems help inspect areas difficult for workers to access. Reliable communication becomes critical during underground emergencies.
Automated lighting improves visibility and energy efficiency underground.
Before opening, every possible traffic scenario is carefully tested.
The undersea tunnel now functions as one integrated engineering system.
With automation complete, the tunnel enters its final preparation stage. The final stage begins with preparing the tunnel for operation. Precision markings guide future traffic safely beneath the sea.
Finishing systems improve both safety and long-term tunnel maintenance.
Clear guidance systems become essential inside long underground tunnels. Every emergency system must function flawlessly beneath the ocean. Air circulation is carefully balanced across the entire tunnel. Drainage systems must operate continuously to protect the tunnel. Uniform lighting reduces driver fatigue inside long underground routes. Final inspections verify the tunnel's long-term structural integrity.
Operational testing ensures the tunnel performs under real traffic conditions.
Safety drills prepare crews for worst-case underground emergencies.
The tunnel becomes fully integrated into the national infrastructure network.
After years of construction, the tunnel is nearly ready to open. The project now enters its final stage before public operation.
Every material inside the tunnel must pass strict structural certification.
The tunnel must withstand forces far greater than the ocean above it.
There's a persistent spike on the infrared scan at this segment junction.
I agree. We should increase the duration of the ultrasonic pulse and check for microfractures.
Even earthquakes beneath the ocean must not compromise tunnel safety.
Every possible traffic situation is tested before real operation. Preparedness ensures survival in the most critical scenarios. Air quality inside the tunnel must meet strict international standards. Lighting systems ensure safe navigation under every condition.
Approval marks the completion of years of engineering effort.
Final scans confirm millimeter-level construction precision. All systems now operate together as one unified structure.
Every joint is verified before public operation begins.
After years of construction, the tunnel is officially ready.
Before opening, the tunnel is inspected one final time from end to end. A single command brings the entire tunnel into operational readiness. After years underground, the tunnel finally opens to the world.
The first vehicles begin their journey beneath the ocean floor.
The world watches as engineering history comes alive.
The tunnel now functions as a vital transportation artery.
Even after opening, safety systems remain fully active at all times. Continuous maintenance ensures long-term tunnel reliability. The tunnel becomes a critical link in national logistics networks.
Even at night, the tunnel remains fully active and alive. The tunnel continues to be monitored every second of operation.
The project becomes recognized as a global engineering milestone.
Every system confirms long-term stability beneath the ocean.
What once was impossible is now part of everyday life.
And this is how modern engineering connects worlds beneath the ocean.